All right, so final day and the final subject on the topic before you end the blitzscaling as a complete exercise for blitzscaling as a RISE 3 element of activity. All right. Now, with that said, the tools that you will use for your community, right? Uh, Various tools were mentioned earlier as a focus tools, right? Two tools, that is multi-networks, which becomes and helps you create your own respective kind of platform for making your community and building the way you feel like, and Facebook, which gives you systems and elements of making your groups, right? There are several which can start running the day one, right? Mighty will also help you do that, but they have the wherewithal and the basics in place, but you have to build it up, all right? Mighty networks will give you a better control the way you want to build up. Facebook, you'll have to use their systems to do it the way you want it, right? Not way you want it, but attracting the people that you want by the virtue of doing advertising and other activities that you do. Mighty Networks does that, plus at the same time create your own systems to do that. Okay, so how do you use it, right? Both of them. Then again, the links given. This is a public domain element which will not be discussed unless required by the RISE circle. We will take it from a practical standpoint. Okay, but for now, this the respective elements or the respective practical usage is shown in the URLs which you can download and start using. Okay, from on that note, with that, I think we come to a conclusion of this, right? With with all this, I know these 8 days were extraneous for you. It would have given you so much information which is overwhelmed you. Take a deep breath. You might want to watch things again, right? Because it might not come in and seep in as easily because it's too much ground that is covered. But if you got the inkling, if you got the elements of what is going into blitzscaling, right? You now have to start thinking in that direction, revisit the relevant sections, and go about starting that activity from a practical standpoint, right? Again, you'll have to revisit and keep on revisiting it a couple of times. That's okay. Everybody does that, right? But once you are through with the cycle, right, which will not take too much time, right, because you've been through your RISE 1 and RISE 2. Imagine the enormous outcome that you can get over a period of time, right? All those affiliate companies out there, all the people who are making the digital assets, including the corporates, right? They're making billions out of this, right? I typically would want to create a billionaires club, right? Hopefully I will, right? So currently it's a millionaire club, which we will be inviting people to over a period of time. But I would like to see you there as well. Okay. On that note, I'll see you on the next one for the RISE 4. Bye and all the best.